Tom just got hired at the ice cream shop. It was called Creamy Goodness. It was a 5-minute walk from his house. Today was his first day on the job. He was nervous. He was also excited. He showed up in his uniform. He was early to the job. He wanted to make a good impression. His first task was to open the shop. He had to prepare the ice cream. He also had to set up the tables and the chairs for the customers. He had to clean all the equipment. He had to make sure everything was ready. His manager helped him get ready. His coworkers also helped. He worked as a cashier. He scooped the ice cream. Tom loved his job.